Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Nifty, as usual, opened slightly positive, came under selling pressure, then shot up, and it went very close to yesterday's high when it comes to futures. The spot has actually crossed all-time high. Then, as usual, late afternoon, probably triggered by retail people, the selling came and Nifty fell more than 100 points. And finally, Nifty respectable closing about 100 point plus, but still I would define this as a consolidation only. So markets have gone up so much, it fell 10% on 4th of June, recovered the entire 10%. Now the markets are consolidating, between 23,000 and 23,500. And today morning I told you the Nifty is likely to expire between 23,000 and 23,600 for this weekly expiry. And today for the third straight day, Nifty future came under selling pressure once it crossed 23,400. The first day it was 23,410. The second day it was 23,480. And today it is 23,472, something like that. Then selling came and closed below 23,400. After the market closed and India CPI inflation data came, which was lower than expected. Even the US inflation data also came, which was also lower than expected. So because of that, now US futures have shot up like anything. And today once again, Nasdaq and S&P 500 likely to close at all-time high. And because of this, GIFT Nifty is indicating about 100 point gap up for tomorrow. Of course, from now to tomorrow anything can happen, but right now GIFT Nifty indicating about 100 point higher and very close to today's high. Now, Nifty has crossed all-time high today, but not the Nifty future. Nifty future was still about 7-8 point lower only. But again, that's a matter of time. So you may remember my analogy, you keep hitting a tin many times by hammer. Okay? The more you hit, the more it gets weakened. At one time it will break. The same way, Nifty future going above 23,400, selling come, again second time going, again selling came, third time went, again selling came, tomorrow fourth time will be going. If too many time comes, that resistance become a weaker resistance and it will finally break out. So if that breakouts, if the 23,500 is broken out, I am talking about the future, the next target will be 24,000. So not only Indian markets, even the global markets are looking very, very bullish, and especially after this lower than expected inflation data. Of course, today FOMC meeting is there. And I'm sure there will be a slightly hawkish statement only, because I know about the Fed chairman. As and when markets are down, he will give slightly dovish statement. As and when market at euphoric level, he will give some hawkish statement. So I'm expecting this US market euphoria to die down slightly after 11:30 p.m. Indian time. So that's when this FOMC, the 11:30 only the announcement will come. At 12 midnight, the Fed chairman will start talking. He will talk for about 30-45 minutes maximum. So that is when, markets will be, otherwise, it's going to be a status quo when it comes to interest rate. People will be keenly watching for Fed chairman's statement about the future rate cut. So anyway, so all is well that ends well. So this June series, still 2 weeks is not over. Only tomorrow the second week will be over. It was too volatile, but even today the Bank Nifty was very, very volatile. So anyway, so those things will get subsiding from tomorrow. So that's my gut feeling. And because, as of day before yesterday, all the political uncertainty were over. And now even the economic uncertainty is also over. So going forward, markets may consolidate, maybe with the 200, 300 plus or minus. And then, option premiums will start falling because, number of trading session is also less. Once tomorrow trading session is over, then only we have 2 more weeks. Out of the 2 weeks, one day is a trading holiday. So we will effectively have only 9 more trading session after tomorrow. So therefore the option premiums will start coming down. So anyway, so things are looking good. So it is time to ride the momentum. As I told you, market, it has become buy and dip rather than sell and rally in this market. So I had some other work, so that's why today the video is getting delayed, and also I could not research for the data much time. So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.